बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामुअलैकुम। अगर आप इंग्लिश सीखना चाहते हैं या बोलना चाहते हैं तो आप मेरे चैनल इन्फो वर्ल्ड गैलेक्सी को सब्सक्राइब करें। तो चलिए हम अपनी वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं। वो बहुत शक्की है। शी इज़ सो स्केप्टिकल। शी इज़ सो स्केप्टिकल। वो बहुत शक्की है। हद तेरी की। बी ऑफ विद यू। बी ऑफ विद यू। हद तेरी की। अपनी दौलत पर फ़िक्र ना करो। डोंट बूस्ट ऑफ योर वेल्थ। डोंट बूस्ट ऑफ योर वेल्थ। अपनी दौलत पर फ़िक्र ना करो। तुम मुझे पागल कर दोगे। यू विल मेक मी मैड। यू विल मेक मी मैड। तुम मुझे इस तरह हुक्म देने वाले कौन होते हो? Who are you to command me like that? Who are you to command me like that? पार्टी कब दे रहे हो? When are you throwing a party? When are you throwing a party? तुमने मुझे अपना समझा ही कब है? You have never considered me as your own. You have never considered me as your own. तुम मुझे बहुत अजीज़ हो। You are very dear to me. You are very dear to me. तुमने अभी तक कुछ किया ही क्या है? You have not done anything so far. You have not done anything so far. मुझे उसके घर जाना है। I have to go to his home. I have to go to his home. खाली पेट मेरे दिमाग की बत्ती नहीं जलती। My brain does not function on any empty stomach. My brain does not function on any empty stomach. वो अपनी उम्र से छोटा लगता है। He looks younger than his age. He looks younger than his age. ये यूं ही ज़बान से निकल गया। It was just a slip of tongue. It was just a slip of tongue. वो तो बस अपने दिन पूरे कर रहा है। He is just dragging on his days. He is just dragging on his days. ये नौबत दोबारा नहीं आएगी। This opportunity will not arise again. This opportunity will not arise again. बीमार की बात पहाड़ बराबर। The sick man's night is as a mountain. The sick man's night is as a mountain. करतूत कोई नहीं और लड़ने को तैयार रहते हो। Small in work, great in dispute. Small in work, great in dispute. यार ये बात मैं उसके मुंह पर कह दूंगी। Buddy, I can say it to his office. Buddy, I can say it to his office. मेरा काम बस तुम्हें बताना था। My job was just to tell you. My job was just to tell you. आप किस मुल्क से आए हैं? What country are you from? What country are you from? आपको यहाँ रहते कितना अरसा हो गया है? How long have you been here? How long have you been here? आप तो ज़रा भी नहीं बदले। You have not changed a bit. You have not changed a bit. धक्का मत दीजिए बस पर चढ़ने के लिए। अपनी बारी का इंतज़ार करें। Don't push, wait for your turn to get on the bus. Don't push, wait for your turn to get on the bus. वो सिवाय शिकायत के और कुछ नहीं करता। He does nothing but complain. He does nothing but complain. क्या आप चाहते हैं कि मैं आपको उसके घर ले जाऊं? Do you want me to take you to his house? Do you want me to take you to his house? वो हस्बे मामूल 10 मिनट ताख़ीर से पहुंचा। As usual, he arrived 10 minutes late. As usual, he arrived 10 minutes late. मैं आपकी वापसी तक यहीं इंतज़ार करूँगा। I shall wait here till you return. I shall wait here till you return. आप तो जानते हैं कि मेरे पास फारिग वक्त तो होता नहीं. As you know, I don't have much free time. As you know, I don't have much free time. आपको इस कदर तकलीफ़ देने पर माज़रत ख्वाह हूँ. I am sorry to cause you so much trouble. I am sorry to cause you so much trouble. कराची से इस्लामाबाद तक की परवाज़ बहुत थका देने वाली है. The flight from Karachi to Islamabad is very tiring. The flight from Karachi to Islamabad is very tiring. मैं 2 मिनट में वापस आ जाऊँगा. I will back in 2 minutes. I will back in 2 minutes. मुझे घर पहुँचने में ज़्यादा देर ना लगी. It didn't take long before I was come back home again. It didn't take long before I was come back home again. मैं रात भर यहाँ नहीं ठहर सकता. I can't stay here all night. I can't stay here all night. मुझे लाहौर गए 10 साल से ज़्यादा अरसा हो गया है. It is more than 10 years since I visited Lahore. It is more than 10 years since I visited Lahore. मैं इतनी जल्दी में था कि मैं दरवाज़ा बंद करना भूल गया. I was in too hurry that I forgot close the door. I was in too hurry that I forgot close the door. हमने सारा दिन ख़रीदारी में सर्फ कर दिया. We spent the whole day shopping. We spent the whole day shopping. मुझे दोनों ख़त एक ही दिन मिले. I received both letters on the same day. I received both letters on the same day. आपकी तावील खामोशी की क्या वजह है? What is the reason for your long silence? What is the reason for your long silence? मैं रेडियो पर ख़बर सुन रहा था. I was listening to the news on the radio. I was listening to the news on the radio. कई टैक्सियाँ बग़ैर रुके मेरे पास से गुज़र गईं. Several taxi cabs passed me without stopping. Several taxi cabs passed me without stopping. बाहर जाने से पहले बत्तियां बुझाना मत भूलिए. Don't forget to switch off the lights before you go out. Don't forget to switch off the lights before you go out. ये किताब मेरी नहीं है, एक दोस्त की है. This book is not mine, it's a friend's. This book is not mine, it's a friend. मुझ में उसे बुरी खबर सुनाने का हौसला न था. I didn't have the heart to tell him the bad news. I didn't have the heart to tell him the bad news. खुदा तुम्हारा भला करे. May God bless you. May God bless you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.